Robot. I'm learning about computers in school.
Hello. Computers are fascinating. What do you want to know?
My teacher said computers have many parts. Can you show me?
Of course. Let's start with the keyboard.
Ooh, the keyboard. We type on it, right?
That's right. You type letters and words on the keyboard.
Like this?
Exactly. Now look at the mouse.
The mouse. We click on things, right?
That's correct. The mouse helps you interact with the computer.
What's that big screen called?
That's the monitor. It shows you pictures and videos.
Wow, what's that called?
That is the CPU, like the computer's brain.
Brain? How does it think?
Haha, not like humans, but it processes information and helps the computer work.
Cool, and what about the speakers?
The speakers play music and sounds.
Yay, I love music. Thank you for showing me, Robot.
Anytime, I am happy to help you learn about computers.
Wow, I love all the parts of the computer. What can we do with it?
Oh, so many things. We can write and type on the computer.
Like writing stories?
Exactly. You can write stories, essays, and even create your own books.
That sounds amazing. Can we draw in color too?
Absolutely. We can use special programs to draw and color.
Whoa, like digital crayons?
Kind of like that. You can use a mouse or a special pen to create artwork.
I love drawing. Can we watch videos and learn new things?
Yes, we can watch educational videos and learn about all sorts of subjects like science, history, and more.
That sounds so cool. Can we play games too?
Of course, there are so many fun games to play on the computer like puzzles, adventures, and even educational games.
Woohoo! Yay, I love playing games. Can you show me more?
See, we can play games, learn new things, and have so much fun.
Wow, computers are the best. Thank you for showing me, Robot.
Anytime, I am happy to help you explore the world of computers.
The first thing you need to do will be open the Google Play Store app and search the name G Compris. This is the app we are going to be using today for our learning games. When you open the app, you'll see this pop-up on your screen and you need to click Yes to download the external assets of the app. When that's done, you can see all these icons at the top of the screen. When you click on the cat, you'll find games on parts of the computer and a few brain puzzles. The second one with the penguin has logical games, educational games about arts and music. The next one helps you perform digital experiments and learn about history and geography, which is mostly for older students. The next one, once again, is a few brain puzzles. This one with the sheep consists of numeration, arithmetic, and measurement problems, which is the topics that we are going to use today. These are the topics that we'll use today. The next one with the panda once again is brain puzzles. The one with the cow helps us learn about letters, words, and vocabulary, which is basic English knowledge. Finally, the one with the frog just consists of basic games. if we get back to the ones we are doing today, we'll go to numeration and click on the Learn Digits game. Playing this game is quite easy. All you need to do is click the circles in accordance to the number shown on the screen. For example, the number here is 1. You need to click one circle. If the number is 2, 2 circles, and so on. This game helps the students to learn numbers from 1 to 9. The next game is also pretty easy. For this, you'll need to go into the arithmetic category and click on the second magician's hat. For this game, you'll need to count the number of stars that are going under the hat. For example, here it's 3 stars. So the answer would be 3. And again, here it's again 3 stars. So the answer is once again 3. If that appears a bit tough, students can also count the number of stars that are represented in the 2 rows. For example, here it's 4, counting all of them.